friends. I hope you all are having a wonderful week so far. I am going to be doing a fairly simple tutorial today, combining a square scarf as an accent with an oblong scarf. So I posted this look actually on my Instagram a couple days ago. I wore it as my Shabbos wrap this week, but I'm going to be doing it with different scarves today. And so in those photos, I was using an Israeli tichel with a sparklelicious. And so today I'm going to be using a shinylicious instead, but really you could use just about anything. So I am going to start with my Israeli tichel. This one has silver threads, this beautiful light blue color, and I am going to fold it into a triangle as we often do when beginning. And I am going to put this on my head at an angle, and I am going to scooch it off center. So because we have another scarf going on over top of this, I am not worried about getting coverage in the back, but I do want to make sure that the end that I am eventually bringing up and over has plenty of material to work with. So I'm tying it at the back of my neck to secure it. And then I am just going to take this end and kind of tuck it up underneath, try and keep it fairly flat, but really we're just getting that out of the way as much as possible. And then I still have the end of my triangle, and that is also going to get tucked under. Just like so. There we go. Doesn't have to be too tidy because we are going to be putting another scarf on over top of it. So I am using a black sparklelicious today, and I am going to put it on my head a little bit off center. So I want the end that's going to end up on this side to be not much longer than it needs to be to go up and over, and then have more length on the other side. So taking a look at that, yeah, it can still be a little bit more off. I think that's good. And I'm going to angle it in the opposite direction and tie it in a knot after bringing that portion through, just like so. All right. So now I'm going to take my long end here and bring it up parallel to that black scarf. And I am not super worried about anything back here because that is also going to get covered up. Just bring that over like so, and try and hold that in place. Just let it hang out, because then this end is going to come up and over at the exact same angle. So up and over, and this I am going to spread out to cover any sort of lumpiness in the back there, and try and keep all of that going nice and parallel. So I now have my two ends right here, which is lovely. And I do still have a little bit of blue sticking out there. I'm not worried about it. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot right here. And now this end is going to come up and over, and I'm going to use it to cover any other little bits that might be sticking out. And then depending on how much room you have, you can tuck this up into the pocket or just tuck it at the back of your neck. I think I have enough that I can tuck it into the pocket, just like that. Make sure all my angles are looking good. And there it is. So this is a really fun way to use your square scarves as an accent with any other oblong scarf. It could be simple, it could be glittery, it could have pattern. But yeah, so this is what it looks like from the front, from the side, the back, and the other side. So a pretty quick, simple wrap today. I am getting ready to go on work travel. I'm gonna try and film in advance so that I have content going up while I'm away. If that doesn't happen, you'll know I didn't get around to it. But until next time, that is a wrap for me. Thank you so much for watching.